10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Live look at Santa Street. We love it. Look forward to that every year. Hey, do you look forward to the flavor of eggnog, but not the sugar crash? We've got 3 festive recipes that capture that classic holiday taste without the cream, dairy, or refined sugar.
Nutmeg is the star, and these treats are balanced, energizing, and perfect for the season. Jesse Lady, how are you? Good morning.
Wonderful. Good morning.
You look so festive. You're a pretty little present, bringing us the very best eggnog, but it's an eggnog adjacent. It's not real eggnog.
I know. As you said, I'm obsessed with eggnog, but all of this is cream, the egg yolk, the sugar. Have more than one glass. It's like, oh, tummy ache, right?
It's like an eggnog fog.
Yes.
So, what are we doing instead?
So we're going to start by making eggnog smoothie. This is one of my favorites because it's breakfast. So it's eggnog for breakfast. It's really good for like Christmas morning when there's like no time to eat. You can throw this together.
And it fuels you and it fills you.
Exactly. So
what
you're
are we
going to help.
putting
So
in?
first you can dump in the milk. Today I have an almond oat milk.
Almond oat.
Mixture that I made.
Okay.
And then I have some vanilla protein powder there.
Is this here?
Yep. This makes it fill.
Whole thing or just half?
Whole thing. Just
Oh.
throw it all in. 20 grams per
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Okay. Then my secret weapon is to put cauliflower in it.
Get out of town.
Right? So I always say with a smoothie, you gotta put a vegetable. Usually I use baby spinach because it blends up really nice, but I wanted this to still look like eggnog. So this is steamed cauliflower.
Okay.
Now when I do it at home, I would freeze it so it's icy, but I would freeze it first because it blends forever.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Dates. We're gonna sweeten with those. Nice source of fiber and healthy.
Because you know, Steve was not a fan of eggnog, but he is.
Oh, I thought you were going to say I'm not a fan of dates.
No, no, oh, that's funny. That's funny.
Where do you think?
No, I wasn't even going there. That's hilarious.
That's what I thought you were going to do.
Okay, I'm gonna bring you a fan of dates.
Yeah.
Banana.
Banana.
Is that frozen banana?
Well, so normally again I would do frozen, but it still blends better. Not this.
Yeah.
And then the spices. So I'm gonna let you measure with your heart with those.
Go with them.
We're gonna
You
use
got that.
cinnamon.
Cinnamon, can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with cinnamon.
Cardamom.
A little bit of cardamom. And then the last one's nutmeg, and we're just gonna go to town with that one.
Really?
This is like our eggnog spice. We
Okay.
love it.
Okay. Is this plugged in?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
It works.
I think so. There we
Look
go.
at that.
It's gonna be okay. Okay, normally you do it a bit longer till it's over.
I know what you did presentation wise.
Yes.
So you can put a little, is it cinnamon around the rim of the glass?
Yeah, so before you pour it in, you put a little bit of a cinnamon eggnog sugar. So cinnamon, but also the nutmeg. And
Okay, thank you.
it's a little chunky.
Yeah. No, chunky. It's not bad. You know, I'm already hesitant about the eggnog.
There we go.
It's those dates. Let me know. So it's all, everything you love about eggnog.
That's yummy.
It's breakfast.
It's protein packed, it's delicious.
I don't mind this.
There's cauliflower
He
in
doesn't
there.
like it, but he doesn't mind it.
No, but that's nice.
No, me saying I don't mind it is a compliment.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Picky palate. Okay,
Yeah.
up next.
All right, up next is these eggnog cinnamon buns. These ones are so great. These were born because Christmas morning my husband was a disaster one year. Everybody ate everything from the stockings. They were like crashing on sugar. We were hangry. So I was like, I need a breakfast for Christmas morning. So these were born. All of the flavors of eggnog in the cinnamon sugar. Everything else cinnamon bun. And no yeast, so really easy to make these ones.
Oh my gosh, so we have that recipe, we'll tell you how to get it. And last but not least, we know Santa loves his cookies, but you have leveled up this cookie. What's in
I
it?
have oatmeal eggnog cookies. These are gluten-free because we're using oats, blending them into a flour. And that is what we're using for our base for these. We have a little bit of sugar in there, and then all of those eggnog spices again, and a little bit of almond butter just to give it a bit more protein, some more fiber, so it's going to help keep our blood sugar down.
They're chewy, they're soft, they're
Yeah,
moist.
I love soft cookies. Santa loves these ones. His favorite drink
That's
is eggnog.
beautiful.
There it is.
And you have great news because you have a beautiful recipe book,
Yes.
which costs how much?
So this book's available online. Digital is only $7.99.
Nice.
But if you're looking for these recipes,
Yeah.
you
Oh.
can get them all for free.
Yeah,
Free?
free 99.
Free 99. You can go to my website, jessielanewellness.com/Christmas. I have all of these recipes and a bunch more Christmas recipes, but all incorporate fiber and protein. Yeah, so that we're not getting that sugar crash that happens in my family.
Well, just realize too, like with this, but even with that's no sugar.
No, we just added the
Just the
banana
naturals
dates.
from the bananas.
Exactly.
Dave,
Oh,
which is
it's
good for
natural.
you, right? right? The
Yeah,
fiber,
exactly.
it's filling, it's nutritious. I always love your recipes. I always know we're going to eat well when you're here. We're going to keep sampling. Where do we get more info, Jess?
So go to Jesse's
like 3 minutes.
to get all these recipes, and I also teach them in my corporate wellness cooking class. You bring me into your corporation as well.
Your eggnog, the way we like it. Delicious. No eggnog. We'll be back with more video after this.
I did?
Converted me. Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
That's so good.
These were really funny. This
2.5, everyone. It's offset for goodbyes.
Santa Claus fucking knows what I do.
You're a Santa Claus.
Santa Claus like the cookie or the biggest pull. Money shot. Money shot.
You're amazing. You're the best.